Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to make money on Displate. In this video, we will talk all about this website that is called Displate.com. We will show you what exactly it is, how to sign up, and how you can make money on it. So let's begin. So as you can see, we are on the home page of Displate.com. This is how it looks like. And you can see Displate is a website for metal posters. So before we look into how you can make money on it, let's first look at how you can join this website called Displate. To sign up, you simply need to click on this sign in button over here at the top right corner, and you will be taken to this page where if you have an account, you can log in, but on the right side, you can see that you can join Displate as a customer here. So just click on this that says create a customer account. Now here you'll need to give in some details. So let's go ahead and join as a customer. The first detail that you need to give in is your first name. The last name is optional. Then give in your email and put in a password and accept the terms of policies. Tick here to solve the reCAPTCHA and then click on create an account. Now you need to customize your homepage by picking 3 to 8 keywords that will match your purpose for joining Displate. So I'm going to remove animals, vintage, maps, and all of these. And let's add something from here like cute, inspirational, celebrities, landscapes, anything that you are interested in. So I've added that many. Now let's go to next. This is the second step and you can create a wish list. So let's go ahead and explore Displate. This is the home page. So as I said earlier, Displate is nothing but a website for metal posters. As opposed to posters made of vinyl or any other material, the posters that you will buy off this website are made of metal. So basically, the posters are made of metal. As you can see over here, these are some of the designs that are trending posters. And all of these will be on metal sheets, like they are engraved on metal sheets. So you'll be given a metal plate which has magnets. And then when you purchase the Displate itself, like the metal poster, you'll be able to attach it onto the magnets. So everything works on magnets. And this has a lot of advantages. First of all, you can change the theme according to the season or whatever it is by simply removing the posters off the magnet. So if you have multiple posters, you can change them according to the season or occasion. The second advantage is that you don't have to ruin your walls at home by putting in nails or anything else. That is how it works on Displate with metal posters. Now let's look at how you can make money on Displate. Well, simply by selling your designs. So all these artworks that you can see over here are created by artists or creators. So I've just opened this Displate over here, and over here you can see that this is the person who has created the Displate. And if you want to check out their shop, you can see the details over here. This person has created 1972 artworks, and each poster will be available in 3 sizes, M, L, and XL. So this is the M size, then that is the L size, and then the XL size will come in 4 pieces like that. Now, if you also want to do the same thing and sell your artwork on Displate in the form of metal posters, you need to join as a creator. So just scroll down and click on sell your art over here, and you can join the website as an artist. So if you're successful at selling your artwork on this website, this is kind of your dashboard that you will see, like your earnings and stuff like that. So this is basically how it works. If you want to join the website as an artist, you will need to send your online portfolio via email. And that's how you can open your own Displate shop. So you will need a professional looking portfolio of original work and not stolen artwork. And you will need to email them. Now, it depends on how much traffic is there, like how many people are applying during the time that you're applying, that you will get a reply. Sometimes it'll take a week or 10 days or even a month. So this is basically how it works. If you check this out, you can share and earn 5 times more. So you will gain 50% commission. If you're wondering why 50%, well, what you're doing is you're creating the artwork. The rest of the thing is done by Displate. So they're going to be creating the posters. It is their platform and they will be sending it out to people who are going to buy your artwork. So obviously they're doing half of the job, so you'll be earning a 50% commission on the total sale value by sharing the links to your artworks on social media. Print your artwork for less. So if you want to open a shop separately on another platform like Zazzle or anywhere else, then what you can do is you can connect these both. Like you can create them over here and sell them on another platform. So that is what you can do. Print your artwork for less, 50% less whenever you need them for gifts, an exhibition, or want to sell your art as like yourself. And so you earn the artist commission. You can see that. Please note that the fees will be applied. Also, your commission may be reduced by a discount if it is used. And these are the 3 sizes, as I said before. Now, why would you want to join Displate as an artist? Well, the platform has paid over $25 million as commission to artists. And in the last 12 months, more than 29,000 has been paid to the artists. Like that is the highest amount in the last 12 months. There are 46 countries that the platform delivers displays to, and artists come from 87 countries. They've got more than 2.4 million social media fans, and more than 42,000 artists are aboard this platform. So basically, this is how it will be. Like this is how the customer will get your design once they shop it. And you can see some of the famous artists over here. One good thing about this platform is they also do social work. Like you can see, they have planted these many trees. Like that's a number I can't even read. I will not be able to read it as well. So that's how many trees that they are working on getting onto the planet. We plant 1 tree with every display you sell. That is amazing. Now, if you scroll down, you can see some of their partners are mentioned over here, like Star Wars, you've got Marvel, DC, and so many big players, which is why the joining process is a bit strict over here. Well, not a bit, it is very strict. So they will be looking at your portfolio. They don't want people who are, here to waste time. They want people who are serious about their work and create professional looking wallpapers. So that is all about joining this platform. Now, if we go to the home page, we can see some of the latest, like the trending posters over here. Like look at that one, that looks amazing with this neon kind of a finish. And if you scroll down, you can see the best selling ones as well. And the variety is simply amazing. Like you've got motivational ones like that, you've got these kind of abstract ones, and you've got some which are on the humor side as well. So if you're an actual customer and you want to buy posters on this website, then everything depends on the keywords that you had given during the sign up process, and you'll be able to see that on your feed over here. So you can see these are all the posters. You've got celebrities, you've got so many things over here. Everything is categorized really good. Like you can see over here, gaming, movies, manga and anime, to animals, space, etc. And if you want to know about the owners, you've got their profiles here as well. So that is all about Displate. If you have gained knowledge about a new platform where you can earn money, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead, join Displate as a creator, or if you're just looking for some very creative wall art for your new home or upgrading or revamping your living room, then yes, Displate is a good website to check out. With this, we come to an end to this video. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.